pearl and frame. So now with the beads, I'm gonna squeeze out just that much, and we're gonna seal on the frame on the metal centerpiece here, and go in the edges right here, the crystal. But I'm not cover the crystal, just on the frame around the crystal. To prevent from tarnish. And now I'm gonna go in and check. If you're scratchy right here, you're gonna squeeze it in just a little bit. It's here on the edges. If you're feeling that it's scratchy and still the gap there, you're gonna have the needles go right in and then squeeze it under the bows. And you can go repeat it so many times as you needed it. If the clients still feels catching on their clothes or their hair, feel free to go back and then seal it again. Hold on, I need this one. I need the little need the red crystal. Hold on. I have the red from the bows. Can I get the red bows? And then purple bows. Because the newest bow kits, just give me the red one, doesn't matter. The bows now is a new bows, 10 more colors. Actually, it's like total 20 of them. 10 more colors for the newest one. And then there's option of the long ribbons and then short ribbon. And it has a matching, wrong one. It has a matching colors of the crystal, which is so awesome, because then now you not only have beads, bows, and pearl, and then your crystal. Something on. Stick on my paper. I'm going to add just a little bit of precision glue gel there. And pick up one of the crystal from the bows mixture. Looks so cute. And then I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds because I have a precision glue gels already. You can see that this one have a bead and then the crystal there. Alright, so same thing with this beauty. We are going to add the precision glue gels on the beads, top of the beads, and seal on the beads, completely seal, so then prevent from getting tarnish. And then I'm go ahead and seal on the frame, like the radiance frame right here. And you can do it over, like over again, or more than one time or two times as needed it, okay? If the client says run through the hair and still getting a catching on the hair or the clothes or scarf, you can definitely seal it again. Make sure in between each time sealing, you are going to key it for like a good 10 second, 30 second flash key first. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and key. But before I'm keying, I'm gonna do it the same thing. I'm gonna get in some of the just one crystal from the jar. The matching, we want to add the matching crystal on it, so then that way you have a lot of like elements to work with. All right, key for 60 seconds. Key first. Yep, from the little cutie bows, I have pink on. So there are 10 colors. It's the red, purple, pink, nude, light nude, rose nude, creams, white. This is the cream and white, along with the newest. This is a 3 OG one. We have this 3 is a 3 OG one, which is We have beads and a longer ribbon, but doesn't have any crystal on. This newest one, just arrivals, is had the crystal matching in there. So it's give you a lot of ideas to create its fun nail art. So this one, I have a pink one on. I have a shorter bow ribbons and a longer ribbon. So whatever you like, you prefer. You can have so much fun with that. Let's see. Here you go. This is his two beauties. And let's recap this. I have this foil box number 65. It's one of my really favorites all time. Got them before. I'm gonna have to organize it later, but I'm gonna try to put in here so you can see. Close. 65. The purple and red and centerpiece. Oh my god, I messed it up. I messed it up. This is so easy though. Just using that and you place it together. If you want, you can do something like this, like getting a couple plates and then doing it. So then you can have it there ready for like